Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make these delicious shrimps baked in oven. If you are interested, stick around and watch the video. So guys, I have about 800 grams of shrimps. I'm going to be showing you how I clean my shrimps. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share to your friends, to your family, and subscribe to my channel, please. Remember to hit that notification bell and turning it to all. In that way, you never miss any of my newest video. You guys know in this channel we have a lot of delicious recipe. So please setting it in all so that you will never miss any of my videos. So I'm going to list all the ingredients that I use for this recipe. I'll leave it in the description box below. You can check it out if you want to make this recipe. So guys, continue watching. So I've finished cleaning my shrimps. As you can see, they are so beautiful. These are the few ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, parsley, salt, fish stock, black pepper, and chili pepper. So now I'm just going to be chopping all my ingredients that I'm going to use. Just continue watching. You need to mix your spice very well. I'm just going to be marinating the shrimps very well, and also I'm going to bake these shrimps in the oven. I'll set it for 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. All depend on your oven. So guys, if you have watched to this moment, thank you so much and God will bless you. I so much appreciate. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends, to your family, and subscribe to my channel. Remember to hit that notification bell and turning it to all. In that way, you never miss any of my newest video, previous videos, At this point, I'm going to leave you now. Stay safe with your family at home. Take care of yourself. And I'm coming with another delicious recipe. Ciao. Bye bye. I love you all. Ciao, ciao.